So, friends, now in this series, in this chapter, we learn about Kubernetes. So, for being a complete and proficient Java developer, of course, core Java is necessary, Spring Boot is necessary, Spring Framework is necessary, Docker is necessary, but Kubernetes is also necessary. So, we will go about the basics of Kubernetes here. So, suppose when you run one container, you're only running one container. In that case, Docker is enough for your requirement. But in a real system, we have, dozens of microservices. And for each microservice, there are multiple instances. When we say dozen of microservice, for example, in an e-commerce system, you will have product service, inventory service, order service, search service, and this way, so on and so forth. Okay, so now you already learned in the microservice section that microservices can scale as per traffic. So there can be more than one instance of each microservice. Okay, then there will also be failover requirements. What happens if microservices fails? How does it recover from that state? This also needs to be specified. Then there is auto scaling as well. Okay, and then there is also zero downtime. So suppose you added a new feature and you want to deploy it, but you don't want to introduce any downtime. Why? Because it is a business critical system. So all these things Docker doesn't provide. Okay, and managing all of this manually is also not possible. Neither Docker provides this, nor it is possible for someone to continuously monitor this and manage it on its own. So, what we need is we need something to our containers. Understand? In an orchestra, there is a head who has a stick in his hand and he makes actions from his hand and the complete orchestra. So, as I said earlier, we need something to orchestrate our container. As you would have seen in an orchestra, there used to be a head who waves his stick like this and his hands like this. And the complete team of the orchestra players play according to the pattern in which he is waving his hands. So something we need to orchestrate these many containers. Okay. So here comes our tool, which is Kubernetes. It is also called K8s. Why? Because in Kubernetes, between K and S, there are 8 words. So this is a new way of writing shortcuts. So, so Kubernetes basically automates our deployments, our scaling, means auto upscaling, downscaling, our networking, when containers need to interact with each other, the self-healing capability of our containers, and it also helps us do service, which means how will the product service know the IP of inventory service? So it will use service discovery for that. Okay, now let's understand a little bit of architecture. Okay, basically the most important thing here is the control panel. Okay, basically it is like the brain of Kubernetes. It decides, apart from control panel, there is also worker nodes. So it decides what container runs on what worker nodes. So it does the decision part. Okay, so inside this there are other components. For example, there is the API server. So this is the entry point into the Kubernetes. If you want Kubernetes to do something, you have to call the API server, you have to call its API, and you have to tell it. Okay. Then there is scheduler. This decides which container runs on which node. Okay. Then there is controller manager. So in Kubernetes, there is a concept of desired state. So it makes sure that your containers running are meeting your desired state. Okay. And then there is, so it is used for key value pair holding. So the complete control panel is like a manager ensuring the system behaves as intended. Now comes the worker nodes. So there can be many, there is only one control panel, but there can be many worker nodes in your Kubernetes. Okay. So now inside each worker node, there is a kubelet. It is like a agent communicating with the control panel. Okay. Then there is container runtime. This runs your container. Okay. Then there is kube-proxy. It handles networking and routing. So control panel decides and the worker node executes what the control panel has decided. We learn about more concepts in the upcoming video.